guys, so I am back but not with the mini. So today I'm going to be talking about the Christmas mystery box that I purchased from Daily Charme. So the box retailed for $49.99 and I had a coupon code where I received $6 off. So I paid $43.99 for the items that are within this box or contained in this box. And so this was my first time opening it on video. It came with a little thank you card, and then when I purchased the mystery box, it's a Christmas themed mystery box, I did purchase some rhinestones, and these were separate. They're not a part of the mystery box. And then I also purchased a rhinestone gel pen. Of course, it has to be cured to adhere your rhinestones. So since it's in the box, I might as well show you. These rhinestones, I got these again off of Daily Charme. These are a orange blend, so I thought that was great for fall, Thanksgiving, fall, whatever you celebrate. And then I have a green mix and a black mix of Swarovski crystals. So let's get to what's in this box for $43.99 with the coupon code. So it has this nice Christmas confetti. I hate that stuff, by the way, because it gets everywhere. So it came with these little cute little I guess they're clips you put in your hair. Now I don't know how that's gonna work out in my hair because I got kinky curly coily hair, so I don't know how that's gonna work. It may get caught up in there and I don't have time to be snatching my hair out. Okay, so I thought these would be cute. You know, they're Christmas themed, of course. Maybe cute in a little kid's hair. Like if they have two pigtails, you could just put them on the pigtails. That would be so cute. You know, I think I might be a little too old to be walking around with that. But it came with these super big rhinestones. Now, listen, I don't know where I'm going with these big rhinestones on my nails. I don't know what I'm going to do with those. I don't know. Somebody tell me something. It also came with a rhinestone wheel with there's different geographic shapes, and there's squares, circles, triangles. This cuticle pusher is supposed to be nourishing and help remove dead cuticle from your nail plate. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. It says nourishing cuticle pusher. Okay, it's good for 36 months. But we're going to see, because usually I have on builder gel. So when I go to do my infill, I'm using a hand file or my e-file. So I don't know. Came with these beautiful glitters. Again, I don't know what I'm going to do with this stuff. It's very pretty. Very pretty, by the way. And 2 of those glitters out of the 6 were a duplicate. So again, $43.99. Came with now those are cute. I like those. Christmas is my favorite holiday. It's Jesus' birthday. Like, come on now. Came with those Christmas gemstones. Here's an assortment as well. You know, when I see that, I think of Christmas lights. And it came with the half kind of gold pearl pieces, and the little paper confetti pieces. They're Christmas trees. So I'm kind of glad I let my nails kind of grow out, because I could probably fit several on there. But if you have stubs, then I'm pretty sure you're only going to get one Christmas tree on there. That glitter right there was pretty. Now listen, for those that use acrylic, I think you mix that in with some acrylic and put it on your nail, banging. I think that would be great. But it was very, very pretty. And then it came with some tinsel, red tinsel. I told my daughter, I said, ooh, red tinsel. She was like, what is tinsel? I just looked at her like, really? Because we don't use tinsel on our Christmas tree, because tinsel gets everywhere. Now, nail art foil. This was my favorite. I was like, ooh, this is so pretty. Snowflake. And it kind of has like an ombre look going on here. And then the other 2 foils, when I saw this, wrapping paper. I love wrapping paper. Like my husband tell you, like I'm wrapping paper crazy. I think wrapping paper is so pretty. I have problems, but anyhow. And then the third foil, nail foil, it was like sweater nails. I was like, oh, that'd be cute. They have different patterns on there. So the foils, I think, were one of my favorites. And then it came with 2 packs of stickers. Those stickers kind of is autumn themed to me. They didn't scream Christmas, but these right here, they did. It was so cute. Have a little cute gingerbread man. Look at him with the hat on, and the little snowman. Those were cute. And then a Christmas file. Now listen, I love Christmas. But that was a nice little file. And it came with a wood ornament. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with a wood ornament. Somebody gonna tell me something. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. And then it came with 2 gel polishes, which I think their gel polishes may retail anywhere between $11.99 and $19.99. So 2 polishes alone, you know, I think you get your money's worth in the box. And it came with 2 gels. One is a green cat eye gel, so you need a magnet, and you do need a UV or LED lamp to cure these gels. And then you get it came with a nice bright green cream gel polish as well. So, you know, for $43.99, guys, of course I had a coupon code. I think that was a pretty good deal. I never purchased a mystery box from them before, and you know, I was like, well, why not? It's Christmas. Well, it's about to be Christmas. It's not Christmas yet. We gotta celebrate Thanksgiving first. But you know, I can't wait to use these. And I haven't used their gel polishes. I do have their top coat, but it wasn't high shine for me, and that was just me. But for me, it just didn't do the trick there. So I will be doing a video with that gel polishing, and I'm just rambling on this video. But anywho, so after I go through the contents, I'm just opening up the glitters, guys, just to kind of give you a better look. Sometimes things look better when you take the lid off, of course, but look at that, it's just so pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but I'm gonna do something. But I'm just going through and open up all the glitters just to give you guys a glimpse of those. So out of all of the glitter containers, I could not get the purple glitter open, but it was very pretty through the container. So here are all of the contents in the box. Again, I paid $43.99 because I had a $6 off coupon. Guys, maybe this might sway you to purchase a box. No big deal to me, but let me know what you think about the contents of the box. But anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching.